Y'all, guess what I got to do? I got to turn my last screenshot into an outfit. So let's see what that is. Really? Look what the screenshot is. Plan your days, your outfit, and your content all in one place with my all-in-one digital planner. The link is in the description. Y'all want a hint on what the screenshot is? Okay, I'm gonna draw it for y'all and tell y'all the colors in it. You got red, you got a little red, you got a little pink, you got a little green. What y'all think it is? Oh yeah, and you got a little brown. What y'all think it is? This what it is, y'all. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I can't draw to save my life. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. This is what it is. A sub. Let me tell y'all why I got a picture of a sub in my phone. Super Bowl Sunday, my husband went out to get something to eat. He went and got some subs, and I sent him a picture of the sub that I wanted. So that's why I got a picture of a sub sandwich in my phone. So y'all think I can recreate that? I think I can. So y'all know when y'all go to Subway, what the first thing they gonna ask you? What kind of bread you want? I'm usually kind of like a Italian herb and cheese type of girl, but on that picture it looked like it was just plain white bread. So we're gonna start with the bread. So I think we're gonna start off with this coat. Because don't it look like don't it look like some sub bread to y'all? The color, the texture. We're gonna do it like a sandwich. So the top and the bottom should be the same color. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, they look like a wheat bread. Okay, we got us some bread. So I think we're gonna go with these. We got the bread. We need to start filling it with some toppings, cause Subway, they're gonna ask you what kind of bread you want, and then they're gonna ask you what kind of cheese. That sandwich looked like it didn't really have no cheese on it, even though I'm a cheese girl, but it didn't have no cheese on it. So we're gonna skip the cheese. We don't want no cheese. So then they're gonna ask you what kind of meat you want. So we got an Italian sub. So usually Italian sub gonna be like pepperoni, salami, and maybe some ham, and that's what it looks. So we're gonna fill in the inside with some pepperoni, some salami, and maybe some kind of ham or something. So let's see what we can do. What about the lettuce? We got options for some lettuce. And then it looked like it had some tomatoes and stuff on there. So I need some tomato and some pepperoni and stuff. So what do we do, like a hat? A red hat. Okay, we could do a red hat for, tomato. Or we can go on with the bread thing and do a brown hat. Tomato. I know. BRB. Y'all, I found my tomato. So this gonna have to act as the tomato and the pepperoni or salami. Since it's the inside, we got all the meat. So I think a tie would tie in the inside. We got the outfit, but we need a bag. We could go with a red bag or a green bag. Oh, we can go with this one, y'all, because it kind of look like lettuce a little bit, don't it? And then it's pink, like the ham. So, yeah. Now that we done picked our sub and how we want the sub, now it's time for the finish. Got our sandwich pieces. So now it's time to make our sandwich. We're going to start off with the breeches. So these are the pants that we picked out for our bread. And y'all, I got these from Target. They was on sale. It been a while ago, y'all. Don't. It been a while ago. It was maybe about 6 to 7 months ago. Before we fold it over like Subway do, we got to fill in with the toppings. So yeah, let's go and fill it in with the toppings. And we're gonna start out with this pink button-down shirt, y'all. I don't know where it came from. I got it out my husband's closet, so we're gonna put it on. Before we finish putting all our toppings and stuff on, y'all, we're gonna go and finish out with the bread and put the shoes on. And y'all, these came from Ross, and I think the price still on there. I think they was like $20, 20 something. I forgot, $19.99 or whatever. But we're gonna put these on. The shoes really not gonna show anyway, so it don't matter. But hey, we got the meat. We're gonna finish. We're gonna go and put some lettuce on. Yeah, we working with something. We looking like a good old sub sandwich. Put that tomato and that pepperoni or salami on. We almost finished building this sub sandwich, y'all. Now we just gotta add. I think I'm gonna add a little more red, maybe a red hat for like the tomato. Let's see. Okay, tomato. This all coming together. Add that bun to it. The top bun, flip it over. We done got everything in the middle. All nice in there. So now add that top bread. Let's see. Okay, sub. Okay, Italian sub sandwich. To kind of finish it on off, cause don't it look like some lettuce or something, y'all? So we're gonna add that back. And we done. How this sub sandwich look? And y'all know Subway asked y'all, do y'all want y'all sub heated or toasted? Whew. I think a little toasty because it's kind of toasty in this coat. That's it for this video. Did I nail it or did I fail it? And comment down below what your last screensaver was, and I just might make an outfit out of it. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.